Once upon a time, in a small town in Germany, there lived a quiet boy named Albert Einstein. Albert didn't talk much when he was little. In fact, he spoke so late that his parents worried something might be wrong with him. At school, Albert often sat alone, lost in thought. He wasn't good at memorizing lessons, and his teachers thought he was lazy. But Albert wasn't lazy, he was curious. He would ask strange questions like, why does the compass always point north? Can light ever stop moving? The other children laughed. Even the teachers didn't have answers. But Albert kept wondering. One sunny afternoon, when he was 16, Albert sat by his window and watched a beam of light dancing through the dust in the air. He imagined. What if I could ride on that beam of light? What would I see? That simple, beautiful question stayed with him for years. And one day, it became the key to one of the greatest ideas in history. The theory of relativity, a discovery that changed how the world understood space, time, and the universe itself. But life wasn't easy for Albert. He was rejected from jobs, and no one believed in his strange ideas. For a time, he worked in a small patent office, checking inventions made by other people. Yet every night, when the world slept, Albert kept thinking, kept calculating, kept dreaming. He never gave up. And one day, he proved them all wrong. The boy who once spoke too slowly became one of the greatest scientists in human history. Einstein once said something beautiful. Everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing it is stupid. His story reminds us all that being different is not a weakness. It's a gift. A spark waiting to shine in its own way, in its own time. So, never stop asking questions. Never stop wondering. Because just like Einstein, you too might change the world one day.